Think brake noise only comes from the pads or discs? Think again. It might start with your wheel bolts. When you use an air gun to tighten wheel bolts without controlling the torque, you often end up over-tightening them. And here's the hidden consequence. That excessive torque can distort the brake disc and damage the brake pads, especially if the bolts aren't tightened evenly. Even slight warping will lead to uneven pad contact, which causes squealing, vibration, and brake judder, all the classic noise complaints. Always finish the job with a torque wrench. Follow the vehicle manufacturer's spec. Those torque settings can go from 60 to 180 newtons meter and tighten in a star pattern to apply even pressure. Torque your wheels the right way to get the right tightening torques. No guesswork, no shortcuts. Simply scan the product's QR code to access all the essential fitting information you need for professional, precise, and reliable results every time. Like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow tech.